Good morning. Today is Thursday, December 17th. I am back and I'm ready to go. I can't wait to see everybody at our 9 o'clock meeting for math today. So we will see you there. If you have me for math, I will be there in Olson's room 9 a.m. I will also be at the open office hours from 10 to 10:45. The only change in our schedule today is for language arts. Language arts, I will be there as well, but we are going to meet in Golinowski's room at 11 o'clock for language arts. So even though I will be there, we'll still all be together. So let's just go over real quick. There is no language arts assignments due, but just a reminder that you need to be keeping up on that Wit and Wisdom response journal. You'll notice today in Golinowski's room that Olson is going to spend some time in breakout rooms helping people get their Wit and Wisdom response journal organized and ready to go in that Google Drive. So we'll work on that today. Then everybody can get themselves caught up and make sure they're understanding what to do and what the homework is. And that'll be at our 11 o'clock meeting. And for math today, we're gonna learn something new as well. This program is called Desmos. So if you have not heard of that before, it's a program also that goes along with the CPM curriculum. So we're going to just do some fun practice with Desmos and getting to know each other by using the programming of Desmos. And if we have time, we're going to do a paint activity that works with equivalent fractions. In the meantime, we don't have homework today, so what you will be doing is getting yourself caught up on the homework that has already been presented this trimester. And I put a bulleted list here, checklist for you to work through. Make sure you have those completed. In social studies, I did add a new assignment today for social studies. That's your chapter 5, assignment 3. It's a lot of reading, yes. However, it is you building that background knowledge so that we can have good conversations at our meeting next week on Tuesday. And then science, we're going to have a meeting today at 1 p.m. in Mrs. Golinowski's room. So we'll meet today in Golinowski's room for language arts and for science. So let's make sure we're there, ready to go. And then we'll talk about that assignment at the 1 o'clock meeting today. Can't wait to see everybody's faces. Have a great day.